When we last left off, I was assembling the galley lid. I've got the galley lid assembled. I've got it temporarily tacked down with some screws through the side here to hold it still. I will be getting some thin plywood, the 2.7 to cover it in. We're not going to cover the inner side like that. I'm going to leave it open. So I spent a little extra time on the ribs trying to make them look a little more polished. The wire's going to show because the wire's going to show. That's just part of it. So I have two lights on the galley and then the wire run up here. And I'll have a fuse box here. Then you can see, you should be able to see right up in there. I'm going to put a set of switches up under there. That's what all those wires are going to go to. That's going to go to the roof light, which I don't know. Oh, you can see this one wire hanging from there. That's going to be the roof light. And then another wire hanging that's kind of tied in a knot. That's going to be the max air fan. It'll be on its own fuse. Here's going to be a porch light right here. And you'll be able to see some wiring up here. Miscellaneous blah 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 wiring. Don't mean a whole lot to a lot of people, so you have to get in there and wire it. And really explaining all this and telling you exactly where those wires go be kind of a waste of time because your camper's going to be different. And don't try to follow my wires. Draw you a wiring diagram or get a friend to do it for you. And we did all this out of 2x3, so it'll be super sturdy. And I drilled 1/2-inch holes, which I've already got the holes. You know, there's a little bit of slack there. And then we're going to have a main power to the battery, which will be in a tongue box up here. And then I have a wire here, which will be to a light. We're going to put an exterior light right here. You can shine it down the tongue box or shine it down the, you know, loading or unloading the trailer, whatever you're going to do. That's pretty much it for today. Just a kind of a quick wrap up. My garage is kind of a mess, and then every time we build one, it's a mess. So, I don't know if you got to see the really cool knots in this thing. The ones over there look kind of either like a bird, or if you were to turn it up the other way, it would look like a squid, and those knots kind of look like some kind of a skull or something. But this is going to be... I looked all over through the pile for another piece of that plywood and couldn't find one. Alright, thanks for watching. Y'all subscribe and follow along. You don't have to subscribe. It'd be easier for you to find me if you do. I like subscribers. Watch, you know. So, thanks for coming to my channel for a few minutes.